Hi, I'm India Lawrence, Assistant Development Manager for Sekisui House Australia's West Village project here in Brisbane. It's been an exciting few months at West Village. Late last year, we celebrated the completion of 203 new residences across Alair, Uno and Duo. A milestone that's brought even more life, energy and community spirit to the growing precinct. I'm also delighted to share that our final residential building, Callista on Park, has officially topped out at 14 stories. From the upper levels, you can already appreciate the incredible city and river views that future residents will enjoy from the pool and spa. Construction is progressing smoothly as we work towards settlement in Q2 next year. Externally, the facade is taking shape beautifully. Painting has reached level 12 with a soft sandstone finish that complements the character and warmth of the village. Windows, sliding doors and balustrade frames have also been installed up to level 12, giving the building its emerging identity. Inside, the momentum continues. Framing and electrical rough-ins are underway on level 8, while ceiling and partition sheeting is complete up to level 7. Wet area tiling has finished on level 2 and commenced on level 4. In another exciting step, the engineered timber flooring has now been installed throughout level 2, along with custom kitchen joinery and wardrobes on level 3. This week marks the start of the stunning natural stone installation on the lower levels, offering the very first glimpse of the premium finishes and designer kitchens that will enhance life at Callista on Park. Sales are also progressing strongly, with only a limited selection of 3 and 4 bedroom residences available. For buyers seeking generous space, refined design, and a low maintenance lifestyle in the heart of West End, now is the perfect time to secure a new home ahead of the expected completion in 2027. It's a bittersweet moment watching our final building rise, but we know Callista on Park will be a cherished addition to West Village, a truly special place for our residents to call home. Our team looks forward to sharing more updates with you as the construction of Callista on Park continues.